Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor, and I'm here to help guide you through the Anxiety and Depression Assessment. What is an Anxiety and Depression Assessment or test? Anxiety and depression tests are used to evaluate and assess the severity of an individual's symptoms related to anxiety and depression. They consist of a series of questions that focus on different aspects of mental well-being, including mood, energy levels, sleep quality, appetite, and feelings, especially about oneself and the future. While these tests are not the sole basis for diagnosing mental health conditions, these tests are critical to help professionals understand the intensity and frequency of symptoms, as well as guide treatment decisions and interventions. These tools are particularly useful because anxiety and depression often co-occur. Both sets of symptoms are just as important. A test for depression and anxiety is a valuable resource for comprehensively understanding a person's mental health. The test can be used as an initial screening to assess the possibilities of mood disorders, and it can also be utilised for further in-depth assessment. Results can be integrated within a treatment plan and used periodically to check in with patient progress. The effectiveness of interventions can be more closely analysed. As a result, it is commonly used by therapists, counsellors, psychologists, and more. Here's how to use an anxiety and depression test. The first step is to read the instructions and fill out the patient information. You'll then need to distribute to the patient for them to complete all questions listed on the documents. Finally, incorporate the results. To view a sample assessment of the anxiety and depression test, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the worksheet for free. You can also access the test through the Carepatron platform. Simply filter by community and assessment and type in the keywords to find the note faster. You can also edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.